Hello, my dear students, both undergraduates as well as postgraduates. This presentation is specifically for the undergraduate students. During the recent exams in your institutes as well as mine, I had found the students to be a little bewildered, probably lacking a sense of direction or an organization of the time. And I hope that R.A.T.S will be able to help us to tackle these problems. Let us see what are the salient features that I would like to address. Time. Time in the sense it can be a time during the exam or even the time before the exam. In my observation, the students tend to read a day or two before the exam. Quite simple and an easy way out. After all, it is human psychology to find out the pathway of least resistance. But then, what happens is, theoretically, if you are to finish the second year subjects in 2 days each, you will be able to complete it in about 6 days or 1 week. That means you are virtually completing the entire MBBS curriculum in a period of a maximum 2 months. A 4-year course is being crashed into 2 months, which is not logical, not sane. So, it would be better for you people to cling on to the time management. Start as early as possible, repeat and rehearse, and finally reproduce, which will be able to help us. Do not be upset by it. The further you go, you find that the less time you people actually consume and the proportion of your performance goes up. I hope I had made this point clear. The title. I would like you people to kindly see whether you are really focused on your title. Is it going to be just a class test or a formative test, or is it going to be a university exam? So what will happen is one will be leading imperceptibly to the other. We all have the habit of segregating for convenience. But then our effort should be the best. And please do not separate practical from theory, the viva from the practical, and so on. They are all intermingled, and what you are preparing now is going to help you in your subsequent exams or even the competitive exam that is to follow. The team. Obviously, I could not get a picture of it because it is so vast. There is a team behind you. It can be your own contemporaries. There can be the junior faculty, the senior faculty, the non-teaching staff, as well as the modes from other sources, which can all help us. So, it takes quite a bit of time for us to organize, be it the university questions or the various classes and all. But keep going to the team frequently so that you get an adequate feedback and guidance. The tool, as I had been mentioning, books, books and books. They should be physical books and not e-books. E-books are writing on water. You will not be able to recollect anything. Therefore, it is better that you possess your own book, at least one book for each of the subject. Mark it. Listen to the classes, mark it in your book, and again read only from your book. Later on, your reproduction will be fantastic. The task. Again, you people should be very clear about it. What am I really going to do? Is it just preparing for a class test, a few hours test, or am I going to acquire a knowledge? Knowledge, in my opinion, I keep it away from the students because it is what we acquire after we complete the course. But what will be more important is what is relevant to the subsequent exam, its interrelationship, what we call as integrated teaching with the other subjects, both vertically as well as horizontally. Take tuberculosis for example. In your second year, it covers pathology, microbiology, as well as pharmacology. And vertically, you find that pediatrics and medicine are also involved in all of these. So, like that, it is up to you people to analyze, segregate, and do it. You can get the help of your counterparts and see that you are very organized so that you are able to focus on your task. It is multi step. So, you find that there are multiple steps over here. You will have to ascend each step one at a time. Do not try to jump 18 steps in one go. And finally, your target. So there are different things, no? There should be an immediate goal. My immediate goal, of course, I had been a student, will be to pass the test and to clear the exam. To get a reasonable good mark, not necessarily the top rank or a distinction and so on. That will be my immediate one. And furthermore, if I am highly ambitious, I would like to try for the first rank or so. But still more, I would like to prepare for the USMLE or the PLAB or a competitive exam throughout. So the target, it varies and it makes a lot of sense. Common sense is very uncommon, and I find that students dropping out of their target. They start preparing for the USMLE, they give it up. They start preparing for the competitive exam and then give it up. They start reading from Robbins or even Gray's Anatomy. Finally, they come down to a bunch of notes. So, your target has to be very clear, and please do remember, repetition is the mother of knowledge. As many times as you are going to repeat, your performance is going to improve and you are your own control. I wish you all the best.